Hi, I'm Robert A. Lane with Robert Lane Coaching. I'm the creator and founder of the Your Book, Your Voice audiobook coaching program, the definitive boutique audiobook coaching program that has been receiving a ton of praise in national publications, including CEO Weekly, Yahoo Finance, US Business News, Entertainment Monthly, and a whole bunch of others. Because I'm a firm believer that all authors do need to narrate your own audiobook. You need to narrate your own audiobook. It's your story. No one can tell your story better than you. But before I dive into telling you more details about the audiobook coaching program, I wanted to share with you a few things. First of all, every voice does have its own DNA. Your unique style, your unique voice is already stamped in your written word. So when you narrate your own audiobook, you're just bringing it to life. Now, there are some audiobook industry facts that I want to share with you, and this is really why you do need to conquer the market. First of all, according to Business Wire, the global audiobook market is going to be worth well over $35 billion by the year 2030. That's insane. And the reason is because audiobook sales growth has been continually increasing by an average of about 26.4%. And again, audiobook revenue, and this is a very interesting stat, it surpassed ebook revenue back in 2019, and that gap continues to widen. And also 83% of the population, they listen to audiobooks. And one more stat that I find incredibly fascinating is that there was a study that was done, and it proved that the comprehension and retention level of someone who reads a book versus somebody who listens to an audiobook, it's the same. So why narrate your own audiobook? Well, the number one reason, of course, is that only you, the author, can tell your story the way it's meant to be heard. And again, there are a lot of great narrators out there, but the thing is, when you have a narrator narrating your story, they didn't live it, they didn't experience it, and it's still their interpretation, not yours. And when it comes to AI, don't do it because AI is cutting corners. It is a misrepresentation of who you are as an author. And when you do narrate your own audiobook, you develop an intimate connection with that listener. And that's so important because they really do feel like that you're speaking directly to them. And plus, from a business standpoint, you're expanding your audience reach and you're adding another revenue stream. And when you do narrate your own audiobook, you are preserving the integrity of your author brand. And probably one of the most important reasons why you should narrate your audiobook is that you are leaving your legacy. You're leaving your legacy in your own voice for generations to discover you and hear you tell your story from the source. So you really can do it. You can sound awesome. You don't need to be a professional speaker to do a great audiobook narration. All these authors that I've worked with did such a fantastic job narrating their audiobook, from memoirs to storytelling to coaches. Fantastic books and fantastic narration. They really put their heart and soul into it, and you can really hear it. Now, you do need to have your audiobook done right. And that's why I created the Your Book, Your Voice audiobook coaching program, because you want it done right, and you want to make sure that you're published correctly the first time. So let's dive into what the audiobook coaching program is all about. The Your Book, Your Voice audiobook coaching program's VIP program is fantastic. And this is really a do it with you from beginning to end. It's a 12-week program where I go through everything step by step, from preparation, setting up your own recording space, teaching you how to do a great narration, and then getting you published on Audible, Amazon, Apple, and any other distribution platform that you want to be published on. We meet every week, one-on-one. I only work one-on-one in the VIP program. And there's also video lessons, PDF reference guides, and I'm always there for you 7 days a week. If you have a question, shoot me a text, shoot me an email, and I'll respond right away. Also, post-production editing, which is so important. It's a crucial aspect of creating a great audiobook that has to be done, and I do that for you, as well as quality control and mastering. And then I upload your audio files for publication. So if there's ever any issues, I know what they are, I can solve them, we can do file repair, and everything is done perfectly, and you will be published the first time. We also talk about marketing strategies, what to do before your launch, during your launch, and after you do launch your audiobook. There's also a private Facebook group that is for clients only, where you can also ask questions there as well. And once your audiobook is published, I'm going to bring you on as a guest on the Your Book, Your Voice podcast, so we can get some extra promotion out there for you. Now, again, including all these services, you get Do It With You coaching. I provide you with the professional equipment, microphone, headphones. I send it to you, and it's yours to keep forever. And then again, audio post-editing. As you record your audiobook, you'll be sending your audio files to me, and I do all the editing for you, taking my 25 plus years experience as an audio editor, making sure your audio sounds great, it's clean, and most importantly, that it meets the exact specifications for publication. And that, of course, includes all the QC, which is quality control and mastering of your audio files. And if for some reason there's ever an issue with uploading your audiobook, this is why I do the uploading for you. I can resolve those issues like file repair, remastering, whatever it takes, because again, we want your audiobook to be published correctly the first time. And remember that your artwork for your audiobook is a different format than it is for your ebook, paperback, and hardcover. And if you need help with artwork creation, we provide that for you, and that's all part of the VIP program. Now, if you're a little bit tech savvy and you like to do this on your own, I do have a do-it-yourself program, which of course contains all the video lessons to give you step-by-step through the entire process, downloadable reference materials as well. And you do have the option to purchase the same high quality microphone and headphones, all the equipment that I send to the VIPs, you can purchase the same equipment as well. And I designed the do-it-yourself program to be done in 6 weeks. But again, it's do-it-yourself, so you can go on your timeline at the pace that you feel comfortable with. So the next step, of course, is just to book a free audiobook consultation call. It's that simple. There's also going to be a link in the description as well on this video, but you can also scan this QR code. It takes you directly to my calendar. Book a call. You will talk with me directly. And when it comes to the Your Book, Your Voice audiobook coaching program, you work with me directly. So I just want to thank you for making that step, right? You are the CEO of you. So that means that the steps that you take to move your author brand forward by creating an audiobook is a great thing to do. And I want to be there to help you through the entire process. So again, if you're interested in the VIP program or the do-it-yourself program, reach out to me. You can shoot me an email at robert@robertlanecoaching.com. You can go to my website at robertlanecoaching.com as well and book a call. All right. The link's in the description, and you can also find those book a call links on the website as well. I look forward to working with you and helping you create an awesome audiobook.